Recording in progress.
So, hello students. I hope you all are well. So, let's start the today lecture. In a previous lecture, we had a study about the Java environments like JDK, JVM, and JRE. Okay, how a Java program is compiled in your system operating system. Okay. Today we will discuss about the objects and classes. Okay, so let me share my screen once. Yeah, so I hope it is visible now. So yeah, so let's discuss about the objects and classes. Okay. So in every Java program, you have to define the classes. Okay, you can say that the your classes is the basic building block of your Java program. Okay, so class class represents the group of objects having a similar properties and behaviors. Okay, your classes, okay, your classes contains the group of objects, okay, of a similar type, similar behavior. Classes can be user defined and predefined in Java. Java support basically two types of classes. Okay, first one is your user defined classes, like user define the class name according to their requirement, you can say. And some classes are also predefined in Java. That means they come with inbuilt packages. Okay, like your scanner class, your system class, your string. These are the classes which are come with predefined with your JDK package. Okay, so and one thing also, your in Java, whenever you are writing the name of your class, then the first letter of your class should be capital. Okay, this is the you can say that naming convention that is followed by the Java. Okay, the first letter of your class should be capital. So in anywhere in your Java program, if any word having first letter is capital, then that word is your class. Okay, you can say that the basic syntax of your class in Java program is public class and then your class name. This is your user defined class. Okay, so public is your access specifier, then like who can access your class. Okay, this is called access specifier. You have to define access specifier before defining your class name in your Java program. Okay? And of every class, the first letter of your class name should be capital. Okay, then these two curly braces indicate the starting and ending block of your class. Okay, this defines the restricted area of your class. Okay, class does not occupy any memory. Okay, class is the group of variable of a different data types or a group of methods. Don't get confused by the term data types and method. We will discuss its about more detail in our upcoming videos. Okay, classes is not a real world entity. It is just a template or a blueprint which is object is created. Okay, so now objects. Object is a real world entity. You can set it a real world entity in the sense that in day to day life, everything which are around you, they all are the objects. Okay, like if you are using your phone is also an object. If you are using your desktop laptop, they are also objects. Okay, so objects are a real world entity. Okay, it is the instance of class that is created to the user attributes method of a class. Okay, so if I'm taking a real world example, so see, any objects, okay, if you are declaring any object in your Java program, then they will have three main properties that are states, behavior, and your the main thing is your identity. Okay, so what are the state? See, if I'm taking a normal daily life example of a dog, then what are the identity of dog? His name. Okay, like if you have any pets, the name can be anything like Tommy. Okay, anything can be the name of your pets or dog. Okay, his behavior, like your dog is barking, he's sleep in night, he's eating. So eat, sleep, barks. These are the behavior of your dog, and the states. Okay, like what is the breed of your dog? Like breed, you can set the German Shepherd, Labrador, anything. Age, okay. These are the some states and attribute. You can say these are the attributes of your dog. So any object you have declared in your program, they will have these three properties. Okay. Now the syntax, like they see, if uh, object are also created by a users. Okay, so your object, like if you have declare your class name, then your object will be created by your class. Okay, so your class name, then object is equal to new class name. New is a predefined keyword in your Java. Okay, so by using this line command, you have created a object that is obj of your main class. Okay, now by using this object, you can access every method, function, and attributes of your public class main. Okay, that's why we are creating the objects for class. Okay, in short, if you want to access the method, function, or any attributes of your main class, then you have to create an objects of your class through, and then you can access that particular attributes and method of your class. Okay. So this is all about the classes and objects. Now in next upcoming videos, we will discuss about the basic syntax of your first Java program, that is hello world. Okay. So thank you, students.